Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Flexclip's AI Object Remover. Select AI Object Remover. Upload your image. Once uploaded, your image will appear on the canvas. Ready for editing? Drag the slider to adjust the brush size, then select the unwanted parts. Now, let's remove the unwanted object. A few seconds later, you will see the magic. Click and hold on the Compare button to check the difference between the new and old image. Once finished, download this image. You will find the Image and History tab. And that's how you remove the object using AI and Flexclip. At ComLab India, we offer a top-tier AI video creation services, along with many other powerful AI tools. Visit comlabindia.com to get started today.